An-nyeong, this is your Korean study buddy Sunny. Today we will learn expressions about dogs such as 댕댕이, 인절미, and 무지개다리를 건너다. By the end of this video, you will have a better understanding of how Koreans coin new words and also learn more about the culture surrounding dogs in Korea. Let's get started with the first expression. Our first word is 댕댕이. It is an informal and cutesy way of saying a dog. Interestingly, this word is derived from a Korean word, 멍멍이, which is an infantile word for puppy because these two words are quite similar. As you can see, if we split the syllable block 멍 like this, it transforms to 댕. Additionally, within this word, you can find 멍멍, which refers to bow wow. Let's have a look at an example of 댕댕이. If your Korean friend asks you, 댕댕이 너무 키우고 싶어. 강아지는 어떻게 입양할 수 있어? They are asking, I really want a puppy. How can I adopt one? Our second word is 인절미. Basically, 인절미 refers to a kind of the traditional food, dog. It is made with rice flour that is generally coated in a yellowish soybean powder. However, in the context of a dog, 인절미 refers to golden retrievers since they have a similarly yellow coat. So if you type 인절미 댕댕이 in the YouTube search box, lots of videos featuring golden retrievers will come up. The last expression is 무지개다리를 건너다. This sentence consists of three parts. 무지개다리, meaning rainbow bridge, and 를, which is an object marker, and the verb 건너다, which means to cross. Therefore, it literally translates to cross the rainbow bridge. However, in the context of dogs, this expression is a euphemism for someone's pet dying. Here is an example of the expression. If your Korean colleague posts a photo of their dog with the caption, 어제 우리 집 강아지가 무지개 다리를 건넜어요. It means that their pet passed away yesterday. That marks the end of today's video. If you have found this video interesting, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. 안녕.